50 daily English sentences for kids. I love pizza. I love pizza. She reads books. She read books. We saw a movie. We saw a movie. They went shopping. They went shopping. You look great. You look great. It's a sunny day. It's a sunny day. The cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. She baked a cake. He won the race. We climbed the mountain. We climbed the mountain. You are my friend. It's a beautiful flower. I ate an apple. I ate an apple. She drew a picture. She drew a picture. He built a house. He built a house. We played a game. We played a game. I drank some water. I drank some water. They danced all night. They danced all night. You have a gift. You have a gift. It's a big elephant. It's a big elephant. He caught a fish. He caught a fish. She wrote a letter. She wrote a letter. She wore a dress. She wore a dress. We sang a song. We sang a song. They flew a kite. You made a mistake. It's a small world. It's a small world. We like playing. We like playing. I ran a mile. I ran a mile. She took a photo. She took a photo. He drove a car. He drove a car. We watched the sunset. We watched the sunset. He lost his keys. He lost his keys. They planted a tree. They planted a tree. It's a fast train. It's a fast train. It's a cute puppy. It's a cute puppy. We enjoyed the concert. We enjoyed the concert. They cooked dinner. They cooked dinner. You learned a lesson. You learned a lesson. It's a tall building. It's a tall building. I bought a book. I bought a book. She caught a butterfly. She caught a butterfly. He kicked a ball. He kicked a ball. They rode bicycles. They rode bicycles. See you in the next video. Kids learn alphabets. Don't forget to subscribe.